The 7th session of Pakistan-Turkey bilateral political consultations was held in Islamabad last week. Foreign Secretary Mohammad Cyrus Sajjad Qazi led the Pakistan side, while Deputy Minister for Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Turkey, Nuh Yilmaz, led the Turkish side. The talks encompassed all aspects of bilateral cooperation between Pakistan and Turkey. The two sides will strengthen high-level bilateral engagement and fully operationalize existing agreements and upgrade the Pakistan-Turkey strategic economic framework. They will also enhance cooperation in trade and investment, energy, security and defense, information technology, culture and tourism, education, and consular matters. Yesterday marked a tragic milestone in the ongoing war on the people of Gaza. Israeli occupation forces have massacred 40,000 people, majority of them women and children. The ongoing genocide in Gaza must end, and Israel should be held accountable for its war crimes and crimes against humanity. Pakistan strongly condemns the illegal storming of Al-Aqsa Mosque by hundreds of extremist settlers led by office bearers of the Israeli occupation authorities. Desecration of one of Islam's holiest sites and obstruction to the rights of worshippers have deeply hurt the sentiments of Muslims worldwide. This act is a violation of Geneva Conventions and blatant disregard of multiple UNSC resolutions regarding the historical city of Jerusalem. We share the concerns of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation about the peril posed by these Israeli occupation's policies aimed at altering the Arab and Islamic character of the occupied city of Jerusalem. Pakistan calls on the international community, especially the UN Security Council, to take immediate action to end these serious and repeated transgressions against the sanctity of holy sites in Jerusalem, protect the Islamic character of Al-Aqsa, and to ensure the freedom of worship of the Palestinian people. Pakistan strongly condemns the killing of 4 Kashmiri youths by Indian troops in the Doda district of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. This brutal action by the Indian occupation authorities is yet another example of their illegal and oppressive acts against the Kashmiri people. We urge the international community to take immediate and decisive action to hold India accountable for its egregious human rights violations in IIOJK and to take steps to protect the rights and freedoms of the Kashmiri people. Pakistan will continue to extend political, diplomatic, and moral support to our Kashmiri brothers and sisters for the just and peaceful settlement of the Jammu and Kashmir disputes in accordance with the UN Security Council resolutions. I thank you.